Hello beautiful people, let's make this quick meal idea. Here I have eggs, tomatoes, peppers, curry powder, onions, sardines and plantain. So these plantains are not overripe, they're just ripe. It's still very strong. And here I remove the back of the plantain and I'm cutting it. You can cut this to any shape or sizes you want. It's totally up to you. And I added in salt to this my plantains. I hear that some people don't use salt to fry their plantains, but that's still fine. I always like that salty taste with sweet plantains. And in a dry pan on heat, I added in oil. And as the oil got hot enough, I started bringing in the plantains and we'll fry this on medium heat till it browns on both sides. That will take about 5 minutes. And I brought the plantains out on my ready serviette paper. That will help to drain out some of the oil from the plantains. And in another pan on heat, I added in little vegetable oil and I brought in the chopped onions and we're going to stir this for about 2 minutes to release its flavors into the oil. And I brought in the chopped tomatoes and peppers and we're also going to stir fry this for another 3 minutes. And this has sauteed well enough and I have my eggs. I'm going to whisk this in and I'll pour it into the mixture and we are going to also stir this to combine properly and we'll stir fry this for another 3 minutes. Remember, we're cooking on medium heat and I brought in salt and curry powder and we're going to stir this again. Remember, your seasoning and your salt should be proportional to the quantity of food you're cooking. And I brought in the sardines. You can decide to pieces yours or leave it whole as it is, but I pieced mine so that it's scattered all over the sauce. And we'll cover this and cook for 2 minutes. And this is after 2 minutes and this is ready. We're going to give this the final stir. Remember, at Glory Homemaker, we give you value for your time. Here are my fried plantains and I brought in the sardines and the eggs. Trust me, this is a very delicious combo. I hope you try this out. We can have this on a repeat here and nobody ever gets tired of eating this. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.